Hi, friends! We're going to draw Riff from Zip and the Tiny Sprouts. Okay, our friend Riff is a rock, and most rocks are bumpy with lots of little edges. So we're going to give her a bumpy outline for her whole body. Start a little lower than the middle of the page and draw a line like this that goes up. Draw a sideways line here, and then another straight up. On this side, we'll draw a rounded, bumpy line. Then a line straight up with a little line at the end. It's not quite as high as the other side. For the top, we're going to draw a bunch of little lines that make a staircase shape. Like this. Connecting the left side to the right side. Now, in the back, draw a small line here, a small line up, then a line across to the other side, and then a line across the bottom. Now, we'll make 2 circles for her eyes. Here's the first one. Leave a little space between them. And here's the second one. And now we're going to draw a little backward C shape inside of each eye. We'll draw her eyebrows next, above her eyes. Make 2 little straight lines next to each other, like this. Then connect them with lines on the top and bottom. Now, we'll do the same for her other eyebrow. Since she's a rock, we'll use mostly straight lines to make Riff's arms and hands. Draw a tiny line here, then a long line from the end of it. A little round C for her thumb. A small line off the end, then a V shape. Next is a tall straight line with a little sideways line at the end. This arm is behind Riff, so try not to draw through her body here. 2 small straight lines. 1 long line with a curve at the end. A backward C for her thumb. And there! Riff has both arms. So now we have her 2 eyes, 2 eyebrows, and 2 arms. We need her 2 legs. The legs are going to be a line going down, across, then 1 more going back up. And here's the second one. Now she's almost done. We just need her smile. Good job! Rocks have bumps and edges all over. We can put a few little lines on Riff to show her unique rocky features. A little line here, another here. Here's another. I'll draw one here and here. Great! A little squiggle for a bump, then a small straight line. All we have to do now is fill in her eyes. Sometimes this part takes a little time.
I show patience when I'm peaceful. I show patience when I'm calm. I show patience when I'm gentle, and I trust good things will come. I am patient. I am patient.
Now you can color her. She is a gray color with a little bit of blue. Thanks for drawing Riff with me, Tiny Sprouts. See you again soon.
Like and subscribe for more.